welcome to my channel. And today we are going to discuss about motorcycle truck vehicle accident in attorney, how to hire lawyer in attorney. So first of all, we will go in a website and check how to find a lawyer in attorney. So first of all, you have to open Chrome browser. Already I opened this Chrome browser and you have to search like this, best motorcycle accident attorney. So after that you have to click on any of this website, see how to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer in 2021. So you can click in this. So there is a table of content what to consider when hiring a motorcycle lawyer, how to find a motorcycle accident lawyer. Have you been involved in a motorcycle accident? Tips on hiring a motorcycle lawyer. So we'll discuss all in this video. Contact a motorcycle lawyers you can easily contact by this website. As much fun and employment as people get from riding motorcycle, right? So there is always the potential for an accident. When a motorcycle rider has an accident, the rider and passengers injured can be catastrophic. An accident between two cars might be labeled as a fender bender with no injuries to be accompanied, but rarely does the rider of the motorcycle escape without a hospital trip or treatment, right? Fractures, bone lacerations, or being more severe injuries is done if anybody injured by motorcycle accidents. If you are injured in a motorcycle accident, the compensations you ultimately receive from an accident driver depend on the experience and skills of the motorcycle lawyer that you hire. This article gives you the information you need to make an informed decisions and help how to find a lawyer, motorcycle accident lawyer in attorney. And you have to find a capable motorcycle accident lawyer to get the compensations for your injuries. The process of being an attorney is an arduous one. After graduations from law school, an applicant who wishes to practice law must pass the bar examinations to demonstrate an applicant's legal knowledge. This is also a background check and an investigation to determine if the applicant is of good moral character. I am talking about the lawyer. So before you hire the lawyer, you must check their background, whether they have well experience or not. Individuals who complete the process are admitted to the bar, which means they are legally entitled to practice law within the state. Anyone admitted to practice law is authorized to appear in the court to defend someone charged with committing a crime to represent motorcycle accident victim who set some attorney apart from others in the experience handling cases. So there are three case factors you must consider before hiring a lawyer to handle your claim for damage or injuries which was occurred from the motorcycle accident. So locations you might also have been heard commercial advertising the service of motorcycle accident lawyer. Some of the ads are might be shown in these videos also. So you guys can click on this link and you can easily hire the best motorcycle accident lawyer, leaving you with little say over the choice of attorney. Choosing an attorney located within the city or the country, even you can say if you can go to court, means you can represent by someone who knows the local court procedures and is familiar with the judge. Because if he is not familiar with the judge, he can't convince. Generally, practitioner, many lawyers and law firm functions as general practice. They might handle real estate, criminal defenses, real estate personal injuries, A lawyer who handles an external motorcycle case is not going to be the same level of familiarity with the law or possess the same trial skill. As an attorney, we globally contrasted way to find out the lawyer practice to ask questions, including what percentage of attorney practice is motorcycle law. Because if we won't ask him any questions, then we can't find that whether he is a good or best lawyer for the motorcycle accidents. Good repeated experiences. They might be find a motorcycle accident requires some work to ensure you are getting some. Additionally, I must tell you that to ask the lawyer's question, it will be very important things. Whether I must tell you to research by checking online reviews and testimonials from as many sources as possible. There is lots of social media sites you can check from there. So I must tell you that how to find a motorcycle lawyer. So the pool of the attorney for which you to choose a few to interview to select the motorcycle accident lawyer to handle your claim in Amonius. These are absolutely approximately 1.3 million lawyers in the US, with almost 170,000 of them practicing in California. Of course, only a small percent of the handle motorcycle law. But who do you call? This is very, very important, right? So, first of all, there are a few ways to narrow your search, including friends and relatives. You can ask your friends, you can take help from your friends and relatives. Chances are that someone you know, either a member of your family or a close friend, has used the service of a motorcycle lawyer. Might be, right? So, after a lawyer referred, actually, if the lawyer who represent you in the purchase of your home or the presenting of your business might not handle motorcycle accident claim, but they should be able to recommend an attorney who does. Bar associations, you might be checked out in bar association. Most state and local bar associations have lawyer referral service. You can contact for them or in the local motorcycle accident lawyers. For example, the State Bar of California provides a statewide list of local attorney referral service organized by the country. And then there is a big and huge platform, it's Google search. Everyone seems to rely upon Google when searching for something. So typing motorcycle accident lawyer and your location in box into this search box if you are finding any best lawyer. So it will find out the result. One limitations of Google search is you must sort through the result by looking at website to determine which of the many firms and attorney you want to be called. So I told you guys to how find you a best motorcycle lawyer. Okay guys, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on the bell icon for the future video update. Thank you.